So just updated everything. This is the Mavic Air 2. You can take off. So I'm shooting in 4K HDR.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So I have no antennas on. This is just the stock, totally stock antenna. I'm curious because see when I go here and when I go to transmission, look at that. So I stuck it in 5.8 compared to being at home. At home it was all over the place, even in 5.8 gigahertz. Here it's fantastic. So it's definitely the location. And it's pretty windy outside, but it looks like it's calmed down out here. Alright, let's stick it in sport mode. No obstacle avoidance in sport mode. So this is supposed to do like up to 40 miles an hour. Yeah, it's cruising pretty good. Oh yeah, my signal's definitely good. So this is stock. Just losing 2 bars there. Kick it up a little bit higher. Yeah, signal's good. So it's definitely something going on around near my house, because today interference was pretty bad. 200 feet. So in HDR, I'm stuck in 30 frames a second. And there's no zoom. Yeah, you can't zoom in HDR either. But the colors are supposed to be way better. And one thing I noticed here, signal's 100%. I'm just flying over myself right now. Sports mode, and I noticed there is no gimbal jerk like with the Mini 2. So now I'm flying behind myself. Signal 100%. Fantastic. 200 feet. So let's turn around. Now I'm to the right of myself. There's the forward sign. I'm actually let's see my attitude. Yeah, see, I'm definitely fighting the wind there. Okay, that's alright. Fly towards myself again. So the setting I have here for camera, control, about transmission. So have it on HD. Let's see what it is in smooth. Because honestly, it looks good on my screen here. So let's bring it lower. So 50 feet. Nobody around. Signal's great. Crank it. Yeah, that's good. See, look at the sun in HDR. That's fantastic. That is fantastic. Yeah, I like that. Really good. Oh, shit. Damn. They've done their time long. 1 year rebuild the Pistons are in, or the rebuild the Lions.
hasn't been here for 2 seasons, and none of his draft picks have skated in a winged wheel uniform. So I want to believe in the Tigers.
So just checking things out here.
This season, I do think the lineup's better than people realized, and I don't think the pitching will be as bad as they were last season.
So checking that out. That looks pretty good. Now let's see what it looks like in HD. Obviously, okay. So it looks clear. I'm gonna have to look this up. Yeah, that definitely looks clear. I wonder if that does anything else to the transmission, or if it uses more battery or whatever. Alright, let's fly back towards myself. So once again, I'm flying to the right of myself. Signal is fantastic. Kick it up a little bit higher. There's the church. There's my buddy's place. Boo! Alright, let's do a Yui. That snoring is my dog. That's Willow. She's a French bulldog. Willow, sit down. Alright, so let's fly back. This test run is definitely good. Put it back in normal mode.
How much better will they be? 248-539-9797. Top 5 most important young players in Detroit sports rebuilds. Number 5.
So for sure, signal's good. 30 feet, 10 feet. I should be flying in front of myself right about now. There it is.
Lucas Raymond, their most gifted goal scorer, hat-trick to win the gold medal at World Juniors for Sweden. We've seen so many Swedes make a difference for the Wings. He is the number 3 prospect in all of hockey right now, and
pretty nice.
Detroit in the near future. My number 3
All right,
is
let's fly back.
number 1 overall pick. Someone's got to hit for the Tigers. He's starting this year in the minors. I don't know that we'll see him at all. Maybe a September call-up if he's really raking. My number 2 player is Casey Mize, the unhittable splitter. Ace-like
Pretty darn good.
number 1 overall pick. And again,
And it's windy outside. This thing's,
my number 1 most
yeah, she's a beast in the wind.
Detroit sports rebuilds. Mo Sider.
All right, that's good.
Landing.
Can't complain about that. Good flight.